Okay, 3-week update on kittens, officially 3 weeks old. This is little Leo. He's kind of asleep right now. He doesn't really care that I'm holding him in the air. He just sleeping. This is Milo. He's also kind of asleep right now. He's very, very, very precious. And this is Lily. She's awake, but she just doesn't really care that I pick her up. Look at her. Look at her little face. She's so cute. We have all the babies. They're big enough to where they're moving around now. Luna's down there. They are walking. And they are talking. And Milo loves to just flip onto his back. See if I can turn on. There we go. That's better. Can't see, it's too close up. They're starting to play like real kittens. And it turns out I sexed them correctly at birth. Girl, boy, boy. Look at them. Oh, I love this age. Rehoming these two boys is going to be so hard. But I just don't think I can have 7 cats. Lily is definitely staying. Leo's definitely going to go. I'm going to put Milo as a maybe. They're getting teeth. Oh, precious. I'm going to introduce them to wet food. Well, actually weaning kitten food at around 4 weeks. Then about 5 weeks they'll be introduced to wet food. And 6 weeks they'll be introduced to dry. And they will stay with me until they're 9 weeks. Technically, they can go home at 8 weeks, but I like to keep them an extra week so they can get their shots at 9 weeks. No earlier. And then they'll be doing good. They're going to teeth on me. Yeah. Lily's gone that way. It's hard to get the camera to focus this close. It's doing pretty good though. There he is. I love little Leo. Leo has the mark going to the right, and Milo has the mark going to the left. Which I feel like I should have switched the names. Like Leo, mark going to the left. But this is what I called them from birth, so it's just stuck. And they got wormed when they were 2 weeks old. And they'll be done again at 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and 8 weeks. And then it's up to the new owners to continue from there. And Lily will be done again at 10 weeks, 12 weeks, 14 weeks, and 16 weeks. And then they'll be done.